Welcome back, lads and ladesses. So today's video, we are going to be building a sofa in the soon-to-be workshop, which is there where he's pointing. Right, so this is the rack. So basically, with the sofa, for the sofa, we're putting some wood on the rack down there. We're putting some wood on the rack down there. We're removing this rack so you can sit on it, because at the moment your head's a bit in the way. So we're removing this whole rack. We're leaving this. The rack is in 4-ish, 5-ish bits. We've got outside bars in this one, and then 2 inside bars and a bit of wood. So what we're going to do, remove this bit of wood. So if you hold that bit, lift that bit up.
Oh, so you just bend the wood?
Yeah.
And then you bend that up.
And bring this out, hopefully. If we're strong enough.
Snap back to shape.
Okay, put it down there.
Now we have a bit of wood to make a ramp.
So now,
Ramp.
take these out. Just straight up take them out. Here, have a hammer. Have a hammer. Have a hammer. Would you like a hammer?
Do I need a hammer, Jack? Ow! My
Okay,
ears.
so now those 2 are out. We're doing this pretty quickly. Done it already.
Now do we keep the back and the sides in? It'd probably be smart.
Yes. First is to put it.
I don't trust that!
And he falls
Who's
through.
phoning me? I'm so popular today.
Okay, so now, moving that bit in a second. Right, so this is where our sofa's will be, as Zach is demonstrating, but we're not going to put padding on that bit of wood. Get a bit of wood from that pile over there, the one at the very back. Other side, Zach. No, other side. Very back. Yep, that bit. Right there. I'm going to get that, measure it up. I'm going to put it on there. And then, yeah, there you go, there you go. I'm going to put it on there so we get some more sturdiness, because a bit flimsy. So yeah, we'll do that now. Right, so we had an idea. So Zach, in a second, I'll add a bit of wood, a bit on top, and you can put it there to make it look better. And then in a minute, we can get this bit of wood and cut the corners out so it slots in these bits better, because as you saw on the shelf we took out, there's not much holding it down, so and we're heavier than some bags that was on it, so it'll give us more strength. So yeah, we'll show you in a second when we've done that. Right, so now get a bit of wood we just saw that hopefully fits, because our measuring skills are through the roof, I tell you that. So if I was going to move this wood over there, in there, okay? Got that bit of wood. Now I need some teamwork. Grab that end. Right, we need to put it in first. I'm going to hide that for a second. And he's back. And if hopefully the measuring skills are correct, which they probably are, I should slide in. Which it doesn't. Okay, we have to cut that. Oh, hold on. Tangle band.
That'll do.
Oh, can you just do this out there?
Oh yeah, that'll work.
They still don't fit. Okay. Oh, I have an idea. We'll file this off.
File off?
Yes. Hold. So we're very good at measuring things, by the way. So we're very good at measuring things. So we always get our cuts done first try. That's why I'm definitely not using a file and filing it down. My finger's fine.
Rounded edge.
Right, second try to sharp. Or I think it's just like charm.
That'll work, there's just the bags in anyway.
Sure, you move back. That's still not working. Right, more island. You can just take a saw to it.
Just cut loads of it off,
Yeah,
because you don't really need that much.
You just take a saw to it. Mate, alright. That is in my way.
I was going to hold it there for you. You should have sawn my fingers off.
So smart. Right, this isn't saw. That's not the right saw. We are absolute athletes at this. We're so good, we always do it first try.
You actually need to watch this recording after we've done it.
How do I attach this?
No, grab a couple things. That's a metal saw you were using.
Plastic saw, but yeah.
Plastic? Where is it?
On the floor, you walk past it.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's not a plastic saw.
Yes?
That's a saw for food.
No, it's not.
I have one of those at home.
I'm really
I
good.
don't have one. I have a coping saw.
I don't have a pen saw.
I do.
I'm losing my fingers a bit at this time. Why is this saw not like
It's all mechanical. You can make it with a hammer.
it's wood sack?
Still mechanical.
Stop!
Hammer
Right.
equals solution to all Christ almighty.
We've done that now and it fit.
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not. Mate.
Just cut loads of it off.
No, it's on the shelf. Now it's on the shelf. Why is it now not even fit on? It's the corner. 5. We just chop the corner off.
Yeah.
It's a chop, but it's a file.
Oh my eye!
Hello.
It's all mechanical. You can mend it with a hammer.
On app like doing. That should have fixed our problem. I think. Probably would.
I can see something.
Hammer.
I thought you filed the corner.
I did.
Filed it.
Of course does it.
Just cut it like down to like here. No, mark that.
Go on then.
There. There.
Go on then.
I can't.
Let Zach do it now because he thinks he's all smart.
I am.
Let's watch him do this, shall we? Because you know he can do it all.
The saw's got no navigation system.
So you blame it on the navigation. I blame
Needs
it on.
GPS. Doesn't work. You need a new saw. Do you want to have a go?
Oh yeah, Mr. Smart Man doesn't like it.
No, it's smart. It's just I'm not. Oh wait. Yeah, I've got it.
He's done it.
Don't worry about
Maybe. Could have. Might have.
Maybe your uncle's at a friend's house. Maybe that's why he has a hot tub.
No, it doesn't. Going too far.
But it works.
Ow! We are very experienced with tools, by the way.
It's all mechanical. You can mend it with a hammer.
Well, it's not mechanical. He missed. Okay, I'm pretty impressed. He did it. Let's watch him fit it, shall we? Oh. Oh.
CPR. Oh, look how perfect that cut is. Oh, wings that. Red Bull gives you wings. Hashtag not sponsored.
Really cool.
True.
So it fits, but the bag's being annoying.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that? I'm trying to lift it up.
Oh.
Right, we done it. Kinda. Right. Now.
Wait, no.
He's going to pick up the bag. Always good. Right, we'll leave him to that and we'll figure out what we're doing next. Right, so Zach is filing that round and then we're going to nail it together. But meanwhile he's doing that, see the two gaps here and here. We're going to measure out a bit of wood and cut it out of that massive bit of wood there to make it look neater. We're not doing anything at the back because we're lazy. And we're just going to, I think we're going to chuck the picnic blanket over that beam.
I don't mind doing the back.
And we're going to chuck the picnic blanket over that bar so it gives it a bit of comfort. But anyway, so I'm going to now measure that up. Again, make sure I've got it all right. Yep. And then I'm going to cut I'm going to cut it out of there. This massive bit of wood there. It's the one that's just high on. I'm going to figure out what I'm doing with it. But yeah, do that now. Right. So, I did what I said I was going to do. Zach did what he was doing. And he also nailed it to that bit of wood. So that's nice and strong. The majestic nailing was done by him. But Zach has disappeared for reasons unknown to mankind, so I will have to finish this by myself. But I've got these two bits of wood in, which are pretty sturdy. And now, well, they're not pretty, they are sturdy. I'm going to try and get this over the back of that rail, which could take me a few attempts. Blanket's confusing. Fits pretty well actually. Another one back there. Get a little bit down the back of here, so that's good. That's what we want. I'm finished doing this. It's slightly poke it in the middle, I can't get in. Get in there. Nose. Go in there. And then fold this. And push it down there. Fold that down there. And then that's done. I'm gonna have not the best, not the comfiest, but it's something. You have this, obviously we can't really, or we could, I'm not going in, or I could, he's not here. So it's for me. I'm not going here, because I don't really honestly want to be bothered. But that'll do, as long as that's nice, not knife, Okay, the wall doesn't look that bad. It's not the comfiest. So now I am going to get out the foam padding for the seat. So I shall do that. Right, so I'm back. Got the padding. So I'm going to lay the padding here, along here, for comfort. And I'm going to find a blanket to go on top of it for short term, because I want to get a proper good blanket, shall I say, to go on top. So I'll do, just lay these. Yeah. Not very even, but hey ho. Got to use what we've got to use. Yeah, so get the blanket. Blanket we've got to use, because I don't actually have any other blanket we can use. So I'm going to wrap that around there, I'd say. Right down there. And hold it. There you go. So that's the workshop's sofa. I'd say it's not the best looking thing, but I'd say it's pretty good for first thing attempted to build and built on the channel. So yeah, it's a pretty good looking sofa. Obviously all this wood here is all scratched up because I don't have anything that wasn't scratched. So both of those sides are a bit scratched, but I think that's fine. So yeah, we've got a bit of gap there, which I think we could have measured properly and avoided that. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. Zach's not here to give his opinion, because yeah, well, I don't really know. But yeah, that's that. So bye, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you liked this video.